What's up, people? Welcome to today's video. And today I'm bringing something special for you guys. Today we're going to talk about lead generation in pay-per-call affiliate marketing. So before we start, make sure you subscribe, you hit a like. If you have any doubt, don't be shy. Write down below in the comments, and I'm gonna respond all comments. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit a like. That's the way you support the channel, and I'm gonna come here to bring good things for you guys. So let's get started. Let's talk about lead generation today. And what is a lead? Before we start, we must talk about it. What is a lead? Okay, so we can consider a lead as a person, and maybe any person who indicates an interest in a company, product, or service in a way. So the companies used to pay you to go and find that people, that person that is interested in a company, service, or product. So lead generation is a process. It is a process of attracting these people. This is a process of attracting prospect. The prospect, for who don't know prospect, we can consider a prospect has a potential client. So the companies pays you to go and find potential clients for them, okay, because they want to make sales. So that's why they pay you to go and find potential clients. So you get paid when you generate lead, and that lead is qualified. There are no much difference between a call. When you promote a phone call, we are inside pay-per-call. When you promote a phone call, and their description, the affiliate, the offer says the client must spend 6 seconds, and here in the leads we have something similar, because the in the offer you find a description. They say what they want to qualify the lead, okay. So there are no many difference. So you get paid when the lead is qualified, okay. There are no main difference between pay-per-call call, okay, and lead generation. So let's talk about the type of leads. Okay, we have two type of leads. I'm talking about lead magnet and direct lead. Inside of lead magnet, we can consider it as a marketing strategy, okay, where the marketers use it to attract leads, okay. In this technique, they use to capture the client, the prospect, phone number, email, giving away something, and get email or contact, okay. Maybe a trial subscription, maybe a ebook, okay. That's the technique of lead magnet. So we have direct lead. That's why we are going to use to promote the pay-per-call affiliate marketing lead generation offer. So that's why we're going to use, this is the technique that we are going to use. I'm talking about direct lead, okay. So to use direct lead, we are going to focus on Facebook ads. So we are going to generate direct leads from Facebook ads, okay. So inside of Facebook ads, well, we're gonna have here two type of leads, okay. We can generate leads from ads. We're gonna generate leads from ads, okay. Here I'm talking about a form from a form, okay. That form that you create from Facebook ads and to generate leads. And you can generate leads from website. Okay, leads from, okay, I can write again, from ads from website. Okay, so here we are going to use campaign objective will be lead generation. Okay, the campaign objective will be lead generation, and right here the campaign objective, let me copy this one. Okay, the campaign objective right here will be conversions. Okay, conversion. So to promote, let me open Market Call right here. We are going to see this, some offers right here we can find in Market Call. Offers type is leads, as you can see, and this is the payout for each leads. Okay, where you find dynamic, it means that the payout for this offer is not fixed. Okay, you can get paid depending on the action that the user is going to have inside of the link. Okay, so yeah, for this dynamic, you get paid depending on what the prospect did. So this is for Market Call. Maybe some pay per call networks don't have lead generation. Even in Astoria company, inside of the panel you don't have lead generation, but they sometimes send you an email. Okay, when they have new inbound, so they want to update you, they send this email, and down below you find this, Leslie, you have web leads for any of these brands, please reach. Okay, so if you have leads for any of these brands, you can contact your the biz dev and say which one you want to promote, and you're gonna proceed. So guys, basically is that. Okay, let me come back right here. I was talking about we're gonna generate leads from Facebook ads. Okay, we're gonna generate leads from ads. From campaign objective is lead generation. If you wanna generate leads directly from Facebook ads, you can use that form of Facebook ads. It's very friendly. I really recommend it. And you can use a website. Okay, but I think that we are going to focus much on leads from ads. With this campaign objective of lead generation, we are not going to see how to generate leads from our website, because I think that it comes something cheap when you generate leads from Facebook ads directly. Okay, so we are going to focus on this. I'm gonna make videos explaining how to create Facebook ads to generate leads. Okay, so you can make much money. You can make thousands of dollars if you work with lead generation, guys. This is a serious business. I think that you can be successful inside of this business, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Basically is that if I forgot something, I'm gonna write down below in the description. Just see that. Don't forget to subscribe to get updated for my new videos. Hit a like, write down below in the comments if you want, if you have any doubt, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.